kuhlonishwe kumbe kunanazwe kuloko kuthiwa i-process yahulumeni kube kushiwo ngciwa abaneyinhloso zokudicilela phansi yonke into umuntu omnyama. Sizothi-ke siyolwa size sinqanyukelwe imkhono, sivikela ithala, sivikela zonke izinto ezumnotho womuntu omnyama. Ngifisa ukukunika uwhip uComrade uDez akwazi ukuthi uma kukhona afisa ukudlulisa inhloso nje ukuba lapha bomama bethu sizosho ngazwilingi ukuthi sinani futhi siyoba nani ngoba lichilo leli lenzekayo lizokwenzeka ngesikhathi sokubusa kwabantu abamnyama. Kuthiwe kukhona i-GNU, kukhona intandweni ngezobulala noma yini ethinta umuntu omnyama. Sikwazi ukuvuma lokho. Sithi-ke kubo bonke abathinteka kule nto abazi ukuthi bathinta indlu emnyama kusukela namhlanje.
Amandla! Amandla! Kwaza mkonto kwaza! Kwaza mkonto kwaza! Commanders, today we are here to say hands off Itala Bank, hands off Itala Bank.
Hands off Itala Bank.
Hands off Itala Bank, hands off. Hands off. Commanders, you need to understand what is happening here. Itala is functioning very, very well. Itala have a relationship with Absa Bank. And the amount of deposits that are going into Itala is huge. Amount of money is going into Itala. Now the capitalists, they are looking at those deposits and they are eyeing those deposits. So now they are saying, let us close Itala. Let us not give them a license. And behind this is the GNU and the Reserve Bank. Uramaphosa. We have taken that time when we buy Ukoko, when we are still by Ukoko. We have taken resolutions in many conferences that we must establish a state bank because the mainstream banks are not assisting African people. Mainstream banks do not want to give African people loans. Even now, with me and Nkosi, Tabazite, we must go. We are working on apply for a loan, for a car they give us for a car. 1 million buy a car. But go and apply for a loan for a land or for a house. They will never approve that. They'll come with a lot of stories, but they want to give you cars. Because Rupert is in charge of financing of vehicles in this country. So they want to use We have asked, over the years, we have said a state bank must be established. Ramaphosa and the ANC have failed to establish a state bank that will help African people. Instead, Ramaphosa started his own bank in Palapala, the Matras Bank. They want to close the only thing that is for African people, which is Itala Bank. The African bank that is owned by white people. When it was in problems, government stepped in and assisted the bank. But this one, they do not want. They've done the same with VBS. VBS could have been saved by government, but because the ANC government is in bed with white monopoly capital, and that's why they do it. Next week, Commander Stay Makubane, the MKMPL, will submit a motion, or private members' motion on public importance. Will submit a motion that we discuss the Itala Bank as a matter of public urgency. So we will deal with it in the next. Ukonto says where it's going to lead the fight and the charge against this monopoly capital, and we're never going to allow them to stop to close this bank. There's the old people standing there. Their monies are stuck in their monies and pensions are stuck in Itala because monopoly capital want black people's money like they do with our money in the PIC. The PIC got over R1 trillion, and that money is mainly the money of black pensioners in this country. They use it to finance their businesses. All white people applying there and they get funds. You go, you'll never get funds. And this is the system that we are fighting about. It's a system, we must destroy this system. We must destroy this GNU. The GNU must fall. Pansi no GNU pansi. Ile no itala pambile. Waza mkonto kwaza. Waza.
Amandla kwaza mkhonto kwaza comrades sikhulumile leadership eseparlamente esideploy lapha eparlamente njengomkhonto wesizwe isikhulumile mina egameni likaMacingwane uMakhuze Mayizela ucomrade uWillis Mchunu uthe angize la ngizosupporta le initiative yala ma comrade aqeda ukukhuluma manje. Viva mkhonto wesizwe eparlamente, viva! Viva! Viva mkhonto wesizwe eparlamente, viva! Viva! Sicela nokuthi ma comrade sinitshele ukuthi thina njengobuholi bomkhonto kwiprovince asinabo abaphathi. Sinomholi, abayiholi laba balapha eparlamente ama-activist. Ingakho wabona la abantu bekhona. Ipheshethwa nephaphathwa haya sizona thina umuntu lo mkhonto wesizwe useparlament ungaphandle uyi-activist. I-order leyo ephuma phezulu ukuthi akho umuntu ozohlela unyawo nothayi la, abantu bemile behleli la ngaphansi. Khipha uthayi, uphathe umkhonto, ukwaze uye phambili sithathe izwe lethu. Ngakho-ke siyabonga-ke ama-comrade ne-leadership enikhombisile umsebenzi wethu ugcina la. Qhubekani nilokhu nisupporta njalo omama endaweni eziningi ngoba umkhonto is about the people.